My name is Fernando Guerrero López. Grow 921-90. I study social communication in the Open National University 5 summers. This to go to Santa Marta. In the last holidays in the month of July, the fantastic past, I went to Santa Marta, a beautiful city where I stayed there to 4 weeks. I went with my friend. I liked it because it was very cheap. I chose to pay $200 in the hotel. I liked it because there were many places to visit, for example, museums, beach, prior, restaurant, churches. I went to the Rodadero, Taganga, and Mica, where we had fun. I like it a lot. I came back to wait out because I worked in the States the last Monday. The weather in Santa Marta is fantastic. In the morning is very great, but because sunny at noon, you have to wear glasses. It is better to use sunscreen. It's important to what while in Minca, surrounded nature. Joe must take a lot of water for the wall in Minca. Your soul wear shows the black color. It's important that you take lots of the pictures. You should wear some comfort shoes to running. You have to wear carry it light suitcase. What should you do? You should in the Guantanamica in the Santa Marta, enjoy the wild surrounded by nature, swim in the river, embrace night to age during the party. What you should not do, you do not have to go to Minca in the eastern port in Santa Marta. It's important that you take informed. You were quite the tour guide so that your trip is very fun. Thank you.